Senses Yao Noi is rated #1 in Southeast Asia by Travel and Leisure. I want to find out how they've done it. There's a guy waiting for me at a jetty, and I believe that he can share with me the secret of their success.
Welcome, just give us one moment. We're going to get nice and tight on the jetty here. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, so mind your head, you're nearly going to bump your head there. You hold on nice and tight there. Ready? Jump. Well done. You have another jump there. Hi, welcome. Welcome.
Not too bad, huh? Welcome by the GM, Graham.
So, Swadika everyone. First of all, to introduce myself, my name is Ma. M-A. Ma. I'm going to be your guest experience maker or gem to take care of you during your stay. So welcome to Six Senses. Thank you.
After a brief introduction, we are then heading to our villa to check in.
Welcome to Six Senses Yao Noi. Khun Graham.
While the kids are having a great time swimming in the pool, I better talk to Graham.
That you would see the bucket that's come from the kitchen, that's all been separated, that you can put it on an actual pulley, right? Goes up, goes there, and you can push the pulley to a point where it actually will get fed into a composting bin. It sits there for 15 days. 30 days maximum. It'll then come out, get dried, and we're going to have wonderful compost.
Wow.
So what's happening for us is a big change is that we actually will no longer send that waste off-site.
True.
It'll be.
We can do it ourselves.
We become self-sustained.
Wonderful.
In those things. So there's and actually it's fun and it's actually pretty easy. So there's no reason why we shouldn't be doing it.
Yeah, we've been saving a lot of energy and also a lot of money too.
So in that whole Earth Lab area, the intention is that it actually should become really very tangible and it should be interesting, but you don't feel like you have to go on a guided tour. Like it's educational fun.
Absolutely.
What's going to happen. So you would actually be able to leave from here. It would feel like a trail walk. It's like you get a map and you can follow a trail and you can find your way through. You're surprised by a duck, a chicken, a goat, but then you actually find yourself with just little things like the effective microorganisms and how we're actually making all of that wonderful solution.
Wow, Graham is so passionate about his hotel. Now he got me excited to see every single corner of the property and see what is the secret.